Veterans, do you know which VA number to call? In today's video, I'm going to provide you with some VA numbers so you don't call the wrong one and waste your time. Make sure you stick around. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dwayne. I got a video for that Kimball, United States Army veteran, retired VA rating specialist, and your VA claim nugget man. Before I get into today's video, make sure you go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. Also, don't forget to click the link in the description section to pick up your copy of my new book, The VA Compensation Blueprint. It's time to win. A lot of veterans are wasting their time trying to figure out which number do I call when I do this with the VA or when I do that with the VA. Also, many veterans fail to realize there's three components to the VA. You have VBA, Veterans Benefit Administration. You have VHA, Veterans Healthcare Administration. And then you have NCA, National Cemetery Administration. And guess what, people? There's subcomponents to each one of these main components that falls under the VA. All right. So, for example, VBA, Veterans Benefit Administration. What falls under that? What are some of the subcomponents? You have pension, you have insurance, you have compensation, you have home loan guarantee, you have voc rehab. Okay. So you have to understand first, what am I doing with the VA? Am I filing a compensation claim? Because that's one number. If you are doing something under VHA, maybe you're trying to get a hold of your primary care physician, that's a different number. If you're trying to get a hold of community care, which falls under VHA, that's a different number. Okay. So I'm going to take you to the VA's website that has a laundry list of numbers. Now, this link, this website that I'm going to show you, the link is in the description section. So make sure you click it and save it to your browser. Okay. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So as you can see, this is the website, VA's website with the numbers. So I'm going to scroll down and it says helpful VA numbers. I came across this while I was doing some research. Okay. So find the phone number to call for help, call for the help you need. Now here, this link, find a VA location. Okay. So if you are in Kentucky, if you're in Illinois, if you're in Missouri, okay, you can click this link, put in the state, your city, state, zip code, and it'll give you the different VA locations that are close to you, vet centers, VA medical centers, regional offices, okay? Main VA phone numbers, VA healthcare, VA benefits, burials, and memorials, other VA support, okay? So these are the different components that I just talked about, all right? So let's go through some of these numbers, all right? So here it says main VA phone numbers, my VA 411 main information line, 800-698-2411. What I like about this, it gives you the start and end time for where you can call these numbers. So this is 24/7. Okay. Also, if you need an interpreter, all right. So the VA is coming a long way. Then there's you call the same number and select 0. Okay. Telecommunications relay services using TTY. All right. There's 3-digit number 24/7. Okay. So you might want to come to this VA's website, VA webpage, I'm sorry. And when you figure out what do you need to do or who you need to contact at the VA, come here, all right, and look at this list. Now, VA healthcare. VA healthcare benefits hotline gives you the number, the hours of operation, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Now, when I was going through this and I was just looking at it, doing research before I decided to record this video, a lot of these phone numbers, they are open at different times, okay? Back when I first started the VA, they had this information, but it was kind of hard to find. And a lot of these individuals, they were, 3:30, 4:30. they were wrapping up. Okay. And these are all Eastern Standard Time. Okay. My my health vet help desk. Okay. 877-327-0022, Monday through Friday, 8 to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Civilian Health and Medical Program of the Department of Veterans Affairs, Champ VA, okay? 8:05 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. I don't know why they picked 8:05 a.m. If anybody knows, help me, let me know. Leave me a comment, all right? Then you have Champ VA Meds by Mail. Okay, they're open to 5:30 p.m. Okay, and here's the thing, people. I had some. I never applied for Champ VA, but if you apply for Champ VA, leave me a comment in the of this video, comment section of this video, and let me know what you think about Champ VA. Like I said, I never used it. Haven't talked to a lot of vets that use it, but I'm pretty sure a lot of veterans do use it. But if you have used it, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about it. Okay. Then we have community care. They're open until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I've tried to use this before. I had some issues getting a hold of a community care rep, and I was like, I'm contacting my primary care. And I'm like, hey, I'm trying to get a hold of community care, blah, blah, blah. When I saw this, I was like, good. I have the number and I'm gonna try to call and get things figured out. But if you have used community care, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about community care. Has it been good? Has it not been good? What are some of the issues? Okay. Then you have foreign medical program. I did a video on this not too long ago where I talked about FMP, and I didn't think a lot of people was going to leave comments. A lot of veterans, not a lot, but there was some veterans overseas. They had some positive things to say about this particular program, and then some had some negative things. But guess what, people? It was probably about 50-50, but a lot of these veterans were in different parts of the world. Okay. So that let me know, wait a minute, depending on where you're at, depends on how well this program worked. Okay. So they're open to 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Then you got get help from a counselor to stop smoking. Okay. There's an 800 number, 999. Okay. So you could see a lot of these phone numbers, they're being manned at different times. You got the Mission Act, Spina Bifida Healthcare Benefits Program. Okay. I rated some of these claims, like for spina bifida, especially Vietnam veterans dependent claims. I rated a few of those, not a lot, but a few veterans that were exposed to Agent Orange. Okay. And they had children that were born with spina bifida. Okay. Hopefully, I'm pronouncing that right. I think I am. Okay. Then here is the caregiver program support line. I get questions a lot from veterans saying, hey, what is the criteria? I've done a couple of videos on my YouTube channel where I talked about the caregiver. One recently where they were extended this. Okay. So make sure you go out and watch those videos if you have any questions about the caregiver program. Also, this program is under VHA, Veterans Healthcare Administration, not VBA. And a lot of veterans that were approved for the caregiver program and did not, they said they had to go through their social worker on their team at their local VA medical center. Okay. Then you have Health Resource Center, collection of medical and prescription debts. One thing that I want to talk about this is when I rated cases, I've seen veterans, they would, have a referral from the VA and they will go to a private physician and they will sign a financial waiver saying if the VA doesn't pay, I'll pay, meaning the veteran. If you go to let's say a third party contract examiner, you have a referral, do not sign that financial waiver. Okay. So they're trying to get you on the hook because they know VA is going to take their sweet time in paying them. but eventually they'll get paid. It's just going to take a while. Okay. I'm pretty sure they knew that when they signed that contract with the VA. I use a third party contractor. I had a referral. They tried to get me to sign a waiver. I'm like, no, the VA referred me here. The VA is going to pay you. So if they don't pay you within 30 days, that's not going to go against me and you're going to try to charge me a collection. No, not going to happen. But I am talking about if the VA gives you a referral. Okay. Now, VA benefits. We all should know what this number is: 800-827-1000. I didn't know they stayed open to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. I didn't know that. Then you have the GI Bill hotline, students outside the US. So remember at the beginning of this video when I said there's 3 components: VBA, VHA, okay, NCA. We already went through VHA. Now we're at VBA. All these 800 numbers fall under the benefits, okay? Students outside the US. VA loan guarantee system. Okay, I'm sorry, service. They're only open to 6 p.m. Now, if you have any questions about VA home loan, my partner, a YouTube partner, David Piatek, make sure you go check out his YouTube channel, VA Housing Education. He is the GOAT when it comes to VA home loans, okay? Or if you're looking at a conventional or FHA or whatever, make sure you contact David to make sure the numbers make sense, okay? You have the support for SGLI, all right? They're only open to 5 p.m. All other VA life insurance programs. I know a couple of years ago, they changed some of the insurance programs, but if you look in your notification letter, when you get service connected, there is a section that talks about insurance, how long you have to apply for some VA insurance. This is outside of the compensation piece, but it's in the notification letter. So make sure you read that. All right. Special issues hotline, Blue Water Navy Act, Gulf War, Agent Orange, other information. They're open to 9 p.m. Now, we're getting into burials and memorials, National Cemetery Scheduling Office. Okay. There's a number for that, headstone and markers. Then you have other VA support, Women Veterans Hotline, National Call Center for Homeless Veterans. If you know any homeless veterans out there, it's open 24/7. Okay. Vet Center, Call Center, that falls under VHA, Veterans Crisis Line. These are 24/7 numbers. Okay. All right. How do you rate your experience on this page? Okay. I give it a 10 out of 10. All right. So those are some numbers. Again, the link is going to be in the description section. Veterans, you have to know what issue do you have will determine the number that you are going to call. Again, the link is in the description section. Click on it. When you open it up, save it to your browser so you have quick access. With that being said, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and as always, share this video with your fellow veterans. Thank you.